Let's see how to start a digital business the way you want it and enter the economy and make money, travel the world, be a digital nomad. So many people looking online for how to become a digital nomad, how to become a digital entrepreneur, how to become an internet marketer, internet entrepreneur, all those kind of things. That's what I cover in this channel. So subscribe, ask any questions, and if you ask the most amazing question, we can have a call as well. And so how can you start digital businesses? How can you start digital businesses? That's easy to start. You just get started by doing the most fundamental things. I know a lot of people would skip through. I talk in several videos about, like, don't skip the basics. You know, you want to start a digital business. Any digital business needs to have a website. Online business needs to have a website. So how about you learn to start a website, which is pretty easy. Registering a domain for your name, for your freelance business name, and you build it up, self-hosted, build it. All those things. Look at on YouTube how to build a website, how to start a self-hosted website and a brand. That's the starting point of an online business. If you don't skip it and do that, I'm glad that I did it. I built my first website, the blog, which becomes my even freelance website, business website that got me clients for my SEO services. I wrote about SEO, I pump a lot of content, I show my expertise, and I didn't skip it. That helped me to build multiple digital businesses, online business, because, and I know when others do it right now, this is how it all gets built. So if you're looking to start online business, learn first of all to build your own blog, start some articles, learn how to build a website, put a video, embed a video, do a presentation to the video, learn to do those things, because this is going to be important if you're especially thinking about doing a client service business. Even if not, if it's a product-based business, and you want to explain a product, you want to show the product, you want to run through and put up a pitch. Initial days, it will be you, unless you're going to take some people to models to do it. That's good if you can do that. But if you do that, put it on your website, that's how you get the ball rolling. There are so many online businesses that you can get started by getting started, which is learn, identify any. There are so many. You can literally Google on what are the best businesses to start. I have a guide on FernandoRaymond.com business blog, where you can just go to the blog, you can search digital business guide, starter guide or something, or else if you're watching on YouTube, you'll see the link below. You can go through the guide on the step-by-step thing, what you need to do. These are the fundamentals. It's not easy, even though it's explained like that, but it's not also hard if you're willing to put the work. If you learn to build up a website, if you learn to identify the niche by doing the keyword research, if you learn how to present it by a video or the media, and you can get others to do that. And if you're willing to run Google ads, if you're willing to find out and learn the advertising channels that you need to product your product or the service, you can roll up a digital business, online business immediately, whatever from the skills you have. There are so many online businesses that people have started. And if you're the kind of person you want to be a person who work remotely, travel the world, see the world, as much as there are many businesses that you can get started, but don't skip the fundamentals. So you can go about starting it and building it really well and excel. So that's my little tips about it. If you're looking to start a digital business, if you're struggling, if you're not sure, drop a comment below. I'm gonna answer it. I'll let you know exactly according to your passion or the skills you have, what business you can start, how you can get a name, how you can go about building the site. You want it built for free, I'll get one of our guys at ClickDo or SeekaHost to build you the website. So all those things are something that I can help you, because I want more people to start digital business, online businesses, and be part of the tribe. Maybe you join one of the travels that I travel the world and try to see. So it would be good. So that's about in this video, guys. And I hope you got a little bit of tips about not skipping the fundamentals when you go about starting a digital business, online business. Learn that thing. Registering a domain name, building your little blog or website, presenting it nicely, learn to do some videos, learn to hire a person to do a video which you record. So this is all going to be helpful. And subscribe and like. I'll be back in the next video.